Persona and role-play prompts for expert simulations are among the most powerful tools in prompt engineering. They allow you to transform AI into a believable character or specialist, one that can think, respond, and problem-solve like a human expert. When used correctly, these prompts turn ordinary conversations into immersive learning experiences and professional simulations. Let's start with what persona and role-play prompting means. A persona prompt gives the AI a specific identity. For example, you are a leadership coach, or you are a senior UX designer. This shapes the tone, vocabulary, and reasoning style of the AI's responses. It's like giving the AI a costume and script before the performance begins. Role-play prompts, on the other hand, immerse the AI and user in an interactive scenario. You can simulate interviews, consultations, or real-world challenges. For example, you are a career coach, and I am a professional struggling to change industries. Ask me 5 questions to clarify my goals, then give tailored advice. This approach allows learners to experience mentorship or professional dialogue, even without a human instructor. These techniques are especially powerful in education and corporate training. Imagine students role-playing with an AI that acts as a scientist, historian, or business consultant. For instance, act as Albert Einstein and explain the theory of relativity to a beginner, or play the role of a hiring manager conducting a job interview for a marketing position. The AI's responses feel alive, engaging, and authentic, making learning interactive instead of passive. For professional development, persona prompts help simulate expert decision-making. Try. Act as a financial analyst evaluating an investment opportunity. Ask clarifying questions and then summarize your recommendation. The AI will reason step by step, mirroring real-world expertise. Another use case is skill building through simulation. For example, leadership trainees can practice communication using a prompt like, "You are my executive coach. Help me role-play a difficult conversation with an underperforming employee." The AI provides realistic dialogue and feedback, helping users gain confidence through safe, repeated practice. In customer service or healthcare, role-play prompts can simulate complex emotional scenarios. For instance, act as a patient explaining symptoms to a doctor, or act as a customer upset about a billing issue. Practicing empathy, tone, and problem-solving in these contexts helps professionals refine their human skills with AI as a partner. To get the best results, define the persona's background, tone, and objective clearly. Instead of act as a lawyer, say act as an experienced corporate lawyer specializing in intellectual property, explaining contract terms to a startup founder in simple language. Specificity ensures realism and contextually relevant advice. You can also use multi-role simulations for team scenarios. For example, simulate a meeting between a marketing director, a product manager, and a customer success lead discussing a new product launch. Let each persona respond in turn. This brings complexity and collaboration to the AI's reasoning, perfect for training and workshops. Meta-prompting can enhance roleplay too. You can say, after the simulation, critique your own advice as if you were a mentor reviewing a student's performance. This adds a layer of reflection and continuous improvement. These prompts aren't just for professionals. They're also valuable for personal growth. You might ask, act as my life coach and help me uncover my limiting beliefs about success. Or pretend you're a mindfulness teacher guiding me through a 5-minute meditation. The AI adapts instantly, creating a personalized experience. In short, persona and role-play prompts transform AI from a tool into a collaborator, capable of mimicking expert reasoning, emotional intelligence, and real-world dynamics. By mastering these techniques, you can create lifelike simulations for learning, coaching, and innovation, where every conversation becomes a safe, intelligent space for growth and discovery.